Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. And yes guys, I'm experimenting this thing. Alright, so I'm gonna do a chocolate cake, a quick chocolate cake in the microwave. I don't know if that's gonna turn out good guys. At first I'm gonna try it. Alright, so here goes. I have half cup of flour. I'm gonna make 2 small ones just for now, and if it turn out good guys, yeah. It's half cup of flour, so I'm just gonna put half teaspoon baking powder. I'm gonna put 1/4 teaspoon salt. I have 1/3 cocoa powder, and that's it for now. We're gonna sieve this all together. And you want to give this a little mix. All right, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar and give this a little mix. Now we're gonna add the wet ingredients. All right, so easy. I have 2 tablespoons of canola and olive oil, and it's this one guys. All right, I have 1 egg. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon vanilla. Good. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon instant coffee. The coffee add a little flavor to it guys, brings out the cocoa or the cocoa powder. I have some milk. I have half cup, and I'm gonna pour it in. And now guys, you just want to mix away, and I'm just gonna whisk it. And you want the egg to beat out a little bit. All right. Ooh, I'm making a mess here guys. Ooh. And guys, I like to squeeze just a little bit of lemon juice to take out the rawness. You can put about half teaspoon or a teaspoon. Any zest, vinegar, lemon juice, lime juice, get away the rawness up. Okay guys, and that's it. Woo! So I'm gonna use these oven proof bowl. You can put them in the microwave. I grease it already, so I'm just gonna dust it with a little flour, or you can even eat it from the bowl if it turns out good. Okay guys. Ooh. All right, we're gonna put them in for 1 minute, and if it's not done, then I'm gonna put it in a little longer. All right guys, so 1 minute. Cook for 1 minute. All right. Let's see it guys. Ooh. I don't think it's done guys. Okay, we're gonna put it back in for another minute. Hot guys. Ooh, it's done though. Look at that. Oh yeah. We're gonna test it and see if it cook. Okay. Yes. Oh my god, it cooked guys. Look how fluffy. Look there. Oh my god. I'm gonna tap a little bit of my Nesquik chocolate syrup. If you want to put the real one, okay guys, it's just a quick thing, nothing too fancy. All right guys. Oops, I'm making a mess here guys. It's okay, just a little bit on top, drizzle like that. All right guys, and I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of chocolate chips. Put some on the plate too guys, make it kind of look fancy. Plate too white, right guys? Last thing, I have a little bit of icing sugar. I'm gonna just drizzle a little bit all over it. Time time for the test. Oh, I'm super excited. All right, guys, are you ready for it? All right, let's dig in. Woo. Guys, look at that. Focus. We actually cook inside, guys. Woo. Let me taste it. It actually cooked. Oh my man. Super moist. Look at that, guys. Look at it, guys. It's actually cooked. And it's not that sweet, guys. If you want it sweeter, you can add another tablespoon of sugar, but this is just fine because I add the syrup on top and the chocolate pieces. It cooks so fast. Guys, I'm gonna call my son so he can try it because I'm not supposed to eat so much chocolate. But guys, that's it. It cooked right through, guys. Let me show you. Look at that.